What's going on, guys? Bubba here for a new video, and today I'm gonna be talking about why I never take my car through automated car wash, and really why you shouldn't either. Now, as far as the number one reason why I avoid the automated car washes altogether is because swirl marks. And swirl marks are exactly what they sound like. They are those little swirls that you can see, especially in the right sunlight. When you see them on other people's cars, it's obvious that they've gone through an automated car wash, or when they're washing their car, or somebody even before them, they didn't wash the car correctly. Now, swirl marks, they aren't only caused by the automated car washes. They can actually be caused by just normally washing your car. Like if your car is really dirty and there's a ton of dirt on it, you go to clean your car. Well, as you're cleaning your car, dirt is building up on the rag, and if you don't switch buckets, like use a 2 or 3 bucket method, then you'll be using that same dirt and you'll just be wiping it all over your car, and that dirt, that's pretty much sandpaper. You're just making a bunch of swirl marks. And if you're even taking the effort to hand clean your car, it's obvious you even care about your car. So at bare minimum, you should use a 2 bucket method. If your car is extremely dirty, go up to like a 3 bucket method. Now, to fix swirl marks, you have to do a paint correction. The paint correction is going to get some of those swirl marks out. Another thing you can do is waxing your car. If you don't have a good layer of wax on it, you can wax your car and it kind of fills in some of those scratches. It's not nearly as good as paint correcting, but just waxing your car can help a little bit with the swirls. Now, it did rain today and my car is a little bit dirty, but you can see I don't have any swirl marks. That's because I have clay barred my car, I've waxed it multiple times, and I just try to take care of my car. I care about my car and I care about it looking the best it can, so I try to take care of it. Now, how the automated car washes even cause the swirl marks, pretty much imagine a truck just went mudding or something like that, and they have a ton of dirt built up on it. Well, they go through automated car wash, that dirt and everything builds up on the things that swirl around, the little sponges or the little tentacle looking things. Then you roll through the car wash. It doesn't matter if you choose the $20 option or if you have some like $60 a month membership. The tentacles, they're not clean, they have a whole bunch of dirt on them, and when you roll through, it's gonna scratch your car. And it doesn't matter even if they clean those things every single hour, which I'm sure they don't because it seems like that'd be too expensive, but even if they cleaned them every single hour, there is gonna be cars that come in before you. And even those cars, even though they might not be too dirty, they will have a little bit of dirt built up on them, which will get on the sponges. The only automated car wash I'll go to is one of like the touchless ones that, you know, just spray the foam on your car and use the pressure washers on it. But even that, in some cases, I would try to avoid, because on my old car, the paint wasn't too good, and whenever I would go through those high pressure car washes, it would actually flake off some of the paint. So if your paint's not in great condition, you might even want to avoid those. And the only reason I'm making this video is because I was actually going to a car show not too long ago, and one of the guys I was going with, he said that his car was a little bit dirty, so he was going to stop through an automated car wash real quick. And I was like, you know, why are you going to do that? You know, you might, scratch your paint. Well, he didn't know that car washes could scratch your paint like that. I explained exactly how it did it, and he is going to be hand washing his car from now on. And plus, hand washing your car, you get into all those little crevices and everything, and it's just a better wash altogether. And I'm sure that a lot of y'all knew not to go through a car wash, but I do have an audience that's, from 16 to 18 years old. Y'all are just now getting into the car, community, and you might not know it, so hopefully I'll be able to help some of y'all. But guys, the sun is going down, so this will be the end of this video, but I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.